everyone, so today I'm filming a university room tour for you guys. I've literally been at university for like a month and a half now. I moved in on the 17th of September and today is the 4th of November, so it's been quite a while. I'm sorry I haven't got around to filming much or even filming this video. I should have done it ages ago, but I just wanted to make sure my room was completely done for you guys, so I didn't do it at the beginning. And then I've also been really busy with uni work and obviously lockdown's happening tomorrow. So yeah, before we get into the video, if you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I'm going to upload more university content for you guys. Also request anything you'd like to see in the comments down below. So if you guys don't know, I study at University of Brighton, so that's where I am at the moment. I'm doing psychology, and yeah, let's just start where my door is. So this is what it looks like, and I basically just have one hook there where I just put all my stuff. Just have my coat, I have my other coat, my robe, this tote bag from Primark, and the coat I literally just wore today. I really like this because I can literally just like lock the door or unlock it, and I can leave it like open if I need to. And then obviously I have my light switches. So this is the one for my bedroom, and then the other one is for the bathroom, which I'll show you now. So this is what bathroom it looks like. Luckily I do have it en suite, so I just have this mat down there. It's from IKEA. I don't always leave it on there because I have a wet room, which I'll show you in a second, so it literally will get wet, but I do leave it there when the floor's not wet. And obviously my toilet, I have a couple bleachers down there, and then I just have a bin. Obviously it's just very basic. I just didn't want to splurge too much for something I just don't really care about too much, but there's my bin. I think it's from IKEA, like, it was just like 75p or something. And then my toilet brush, which is literally so cheap, from IKEA as well. And then that's my flush and where I put my toilet paper. Under my sink in this box I keep like sanitary towels, razors, just things I need to grab when I'm here. And then here's my sink. Then I have my hand wash. It literally smells amazing, it's so good. And then my face wash, I just use a simple one. And then up here is my mirror. I really like this because I have a massive light there, which just gives me really good lighting. So yeah, I'm really happy with this compared to some other accommodations I've seen. So I have my toothbrush and toothpaste in this, and then I have this body lotion and shower cream, and then I have the Ordinary peeling solution, and then this cleanser from Primark, and then I just have my mouthwash over there. And then here I just have my hand towel and this towel as well. And then behind my door I have my body towel. So this is what my shower looks like. So the shower head's just there. I really like the way you can take it off because some of them are like fixed at the top. And then I have this hanging thing. If you saw my vlog of when I went university shopping, you would know where I got it from. I got it from Range. Some like body washes, conditioner, my shampoo is there. And then I have a couple like loofah type things. So let's just pan over here, which is my wardrobe. It's right next to my bathroom. So it just looks like this. I really like it, how it's like grey and stuff. And then if we open it, it just looks like this. I try to keep it as organized as possible. So on the top shelf I just have a scarf, I have a few clothing items like thick jumpers and stuff like that. I have an umbrella, I have this basket thing full of like socks and underwear. I just find that really useful to have. And then here's all my hanging space. It's pretty decent. This thing is kind of annoying because it just like gets in the way sometimes. It's literally more than I need, so I just have like hoodies and t-shirts and jumpers and things like that. I brought a few like cute things to wear for like parties and stuff, but I literally have not got to wear them. This is like a storage thing. I literally just put it on top of my wardrobe now. It was under my bed before, but I just put it on top of my wardrobe. It looks like this. It's quite long. I just have like all my leggings and shopping bags in there. And then it's kind of random. Up here I just have my toilet paper, and then I have like my prayer mat. So from the wardrobe you go into my room. So it just looks like this. So let's just go through it like this. So I have my tripod and my ring light. Obviously I need that for videos. I haven't actually filmed anything here since I moved in, but I'm planning on filming more. And then under my bed, I literally just went shopping today, so I got loads of water and some like fizzy drinks. So on my bed, I have this duvet cover, which is so nice. Like I really like it. It's from B&M. And then I have this grey throw, which I got ages ago. I just got it from home. And then all my pillows, I don't always put the pillows on here, but it's just nice for like decoration. And they're just a mixture. I got a couple of them from home, and I got this pink one from B&M, and yeah, they're just really nice. And then I got this like plushie thing. It's literally so soft. My sister got it for me from Home Bargains. And then what I really like is that there is a light switch where my bed is, so I don't have to get up over there and turn on the light. And then these are my curtains. I'm really, really glad that they're not like an ugly color or anything. This is what it looks like. I just have 3 plants from IKEA in here, and then this is my window. It just opens like this. Like, you can't really open it much more than that. So I'm just gonna close this because I'm ground floor. People keep on walking past me and I just find it really, really awkward. And then here I have this box that is basically full of snacks. Like, I literally stocked up for lockdown, so I have loads of snacks in there. And oh my god, another good thing about this room is that I have so many plug sockets. I use this as a bedside table almost. And then I have my MacBook charger. I have this water bottle that I haven't really used yet because I haven't really like left much, because I was planning to use it when I go to lectures and stuff, but I haven't done that yet. And then I just have a couple of water bottles. And then on my desk I just have this chocolate box that I got as a gift, so I'm gonna eat it slowly. I have my toothbrush charger, and then I have my umbrella, and then I have this box full of like medicine, which is really, really important. And then I have this alarm clock, which is really, really nice. It's from IKEA. You just turn it and then it can do like different things, like the alarm, the temperature. And then I have this box which just has like snacks and stuff. I just use it for snacks. Then I have this, I got all the stuff from Home Bargains, by the way, and this is just like for my pens and pencils and stuff. And then I have this phone stand which has my name on it. And then my mirror that I got from IKEA, I use it for when I'm doing my makeup and stuff. And then here I have my MacBook and the case because I just came back from London. And then makeup brushes. I have a lanyard that I sometimes put my keys on, my AirPods, this thing that like connects to the light. And then I have this Google Home mini speaker. I literally don't use it because it doesn't connect to my university Wi-Fi. It's so annoying. As I said, we have plug sockets here and over there as well. And one major thing, I have plug-in fairy lights. There you go. It's so good because you can literally like change the colors and everything. Like, it doesn't really come across as well on camera, but it's really, really nice, like especially when it's dark. And then here I just have some pictures, and then just stuff like my dog when I went paragliding. And I have a couple pictures here when I was a baby. And then this calendar, like this Brighton University calendar. I haven't used it yet. And up here I really like the fact that I have like these storage compartments. So I have this ring binder folder, a couple of notebooks, and then my LED fairy lights remote. I have this little thing full of you know, like tweezers and scissors and stuff, and then nail polish remover, face mask, some body oil and deodorant. And I have this, I just thought it would come in handy. It's just free like toiletry bags, but I haven't like found a use for them yet. And then here is my old phone. And then when we come to the next one, I just have 2 hand creams there. I have this hand wash and hand cream, and then I have my camera. I usually have my vlogging camera right next to it, but obviously I'm using it right now. I have a perfume that someone gave to me and my multivitamins. And in the next one I have a candle. I don't use it, someone just gave it to me. I thought it was really, really cute. I have this diffuser from Primark that is finished now, but it was so, so nice. And then a bubble bath, couple lipsticks, couple perfumes, room spray, and then a perfume and a body oil. And then I have hand sanitizer, some gum, this really, really cute plant, and I put it in a pink plant pot. And then I have Nando sauce because I really, really like it, and if I leave it in my kitchen I'm scared people will use it, so. And then I have my jewellery. I know it seems a bit excessive, like too messy, but this is just the best way that I found so I can quickly grab it. And then I have my keys. So that was just there. If we look up, I have one of my bags. I have some lint rollers, a dehumidifier. Obviously for my shower, a lot of moisture comes in my room. I have 3 drawers on this side, 3 drawers on that side. I'm just going to go through them quickly. So this is the first drawer. Sorry it's a little messy. I just like, it's kind of realistic. Obviously I've been using the makeup, so I didn't bring too much with me. And then this one, I just have makeup remover, moisturizer, things that I need. As you can see, cotton pads. And then in this one it's all my hair stuff, hair dryers, hairbrush. And then on the other side I have face masks, this jewellery thing. I have the rest of my jewellery in, some antibacterial wipes, some nail polishes, some pictures, my glasses, just random stuff like that. And then in the second one I have some like technical things, so camera chargers and battery packs and some wires, memory stick. And then the last one I have is stationery. So obviously as you can see, my notebook, like a folder, pencil case, things that I haven't really used yet but I need them just in case. And then here I just have my bin, the university provided it, and then my chair. I didn't do anything fancy with it because it literally looks nice already. It's just a normal grey one. And then last thing, I have my laundry basket here. Obviously it's full of clothes, so sorry about that. And then one thing I really like is the full length mirror that I have here. So obviously I can take my pictures. I'm literally so hot right now. One annoying thing is I can't turn off the heating, it just turns on automatically. But yeah, so I really hope you enjoyed, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.